Hello, in this video I will explain the credit last referrer option in Affiliate Press. Scroll down and just below the default commission status option you will find this option. If this option is enabled, the commission will be given to the last affiliate link clicked by the customer. First, we will check it with the option disabled, then we will enable it and check again. Go to the affiliates page. Now copy any affiliate user's link from here and open it on the front end. Now open the shop page and purchase a product. This is the checkout page. Enter the billing details and select a payment method. Enter the card details and click the place order button. The order has been successfully placed. Now go to the back end. Here, I opened affiliate links of 3 different users. As the option is disabled, the first affiliate gets the commission. Now open the commission page. As you can see, the commission record has been added to the first affiliate user. Now go to the settings page and enable this option. After that, click the save button. Now go to the affiliates page and repeat the same steps. Copy and open affiliate links one by one on the front end. Now, purchase the product again. This is the checkout page. Enter the billing details and select a payment method. Enter the card details and click the place order button. The order has been placed successfully. Now go to the back end. Since you opened Remington Kennedy's affiliate link last, the commission will be given to this user. Now open the commission page. As you can see, a new commission record has been added for Remington Kennedy.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.